Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of watching, please don't forget to subscribe. If you are just passing by and you come across this video, please subscribe and like. Today I will be making akara for breakfast and custard. If you want to see how I prepare this akara and custard, please stay tuned and watch to the end. Please. I have my washed beans already. These beans have been washed. I'll be using beans. I'll be using onions. I'll be using bell pepper. I'll be making custard as well. I'll be using custard. I have here custard. I have pig milk. I have sugar. I have oil, salt. I'll be using pan. This is my pan on top of my gas. I'll be putting my oil inside my pan to hot it for a while. I will add my water inside my blended machine. Then I will add my washed beans and the pepper and the onions and blend it together. The blended beans should be thick, not watery, so that when you are frying, the beans will not be separating itself from the oil. Add salt inside the beans and mix it together. And taste for salt. If there is no salt, you add more salt. And mix it together. Start frying. Fry in a low heat. Your oil must not be hot, so that the inside of the beans should cook properly, not outside. The outside and inside should be cooked properly. And stir constantly so that the both side will be cooked. I'm adding my custard inside my bowl. Add cold water and mix it together. And add your boiled water. And stir it together. and be fast at this point. Just continue to stir so that your custard will not bring out seed. I'm still adding more water so that the custard can cook properly. The akara is ready when it's dark brown in color. Add your sugar inside the custard and your pick make and mix it together. The akara is ready. As you can see, look at the akara and the pick make and the custard. I added the pick make on top of the custard. You can see inside of the akara is